Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is March the 31st, the last day of the quarter. Could see a little window dressing today. Taking a look at the SPYs, we've had a couple of nice days, albeit it's kind of gapping up. It makes it tough for some intraday trading, but nonetheless, looking much better now in the SPYs above all its key major moving average. But we're still kind of in this range, kind of in no man's land. We'll see what happens. But let's take a look at some stocks that may need to be on your radar for a possible swing trade. Tesla uh, setting up nicely there, kind of, if you will, maybe a little tiny cup and handle here, but needs to get above this, let's say 198 area, which is not far from it. Uh, China play. China's been getting a little bounce lately. Still liking the way this YUMC Yum brands setting up nicely there. Just has a hard time going, but a nice look there in YUMC. Still think you got to keep an eye on Newmont. This thing has been looking poised for some time now. A break above this level, say the 49.40 level, could it's been lagging the minor sector, so could really have a nice pop if it can get above, this range. Keep an eye on Newmont. And let's see, VIPs. I've been doing well on China stocks lately, catching them off the bottom. This one has been kind of in a long-term range here, but gapping up this morning. And if it can take out this, really needs to get up here to 16. But I'm willing to take a chance above this 2-month high here at 15, right, pretty much right where it's opening. All right, guys, that's it for today. A few others out there on the list, so keep an eye on them. Have a great day. Talk to you next week.